It really does. I found that absolutely fascinating when I
Master English before 2026 with our channel.
Okay, Anna, look at the backyard. It is a jungle out here. The grass is tall, the weeds are everywhere, and the flower beds are empty. We have a lot of work to do today.
It is a beautiful day for it. The sun is shining, but there is a cool breeze. It is perfect gardening weather. But before we start digging, we need the equipment. We need to open the shed.
The shed, that little wooden house in the corner of the yard. It looks old. The paint is peeling off the wood. It used to be red, but now it is a faded pink color. I hope the door isn't stuck.
Give it a strong pull, Ben. The wood probably expanded because of the rain last week. Grab the handle with both hands.
Okay, here goes nothing. 1, 2, 3. Creak. There, it popped open. Wow, the smell inside is intense. Can you smell that?
I can. It smells like old oil and dried grass and damp wood. It is a very specific shed smell. It reminds me of my grandfather's house.
It is dark in here. My eyes need to adjust to the shadows. Okay, I see the tools hanging on the wall. We need the shovel. That is the big tool with the long handle for digging deep holes.
And we need a trowel. That is the small hand shovel, the one that looks like a large spoon. I see it on the shelf. Be careful, Ben. There's a giant spider web in the corner.
I see it. I will leave the spider alone. He's catching the flies for us. He's a helper. Okay, I have the shovel and the trowel. They are a little bit rusty, but they are sharp enough.
Wait, don't touch them yet. Look at your hands. They are clean. If you touch the soil now, you will get dirt under your fingernails. It'll stay there for a week.
You are right. We need protection. Gardening gloves. You have them in your hand.
Yes, I bought new ones. Here's a pair for you. They are thick rubber on the palm, but fabric on the back. The rubber protects you from thorns and sharp stones. The fabric lets your hands breathe.
I'm putting them on. They are tight. I have to wiggle my fingers to get them in. Snap! Okay, the wristband just snapped into place. Now I feel powerful. I feel like a construction worker.
We also need the wheelbarrow, that big metal tub with one wheel. We need it to carry the weeds away. Is the tire flat?
Let me check. I'm kicking the tire gently. It feels solid. It has air in it. Okay, grab the handle. Let's roll it out onto the grass. Listen to that squeak.
We have the tools, we have the gloves, we have the wheelbarrow. Now we have to face the flower bed.
It looks like a mess of green tangles. I don't even know where the soil is. Are you ready to get your knees dirty?
I am ready. Let's go disturb the earth.
Okay, we are at the flower bed. It is a rectangle of dirt in the middle of the lawn. But right now, I can't see any dirt. I only see green plants. But these are not the plants we want. These are weeds.
A weed is just a plant growing in the wrong place. They steal the water and the sunlight from the flowers. So we have to remove them. We have to weed the garden. Get down on your knees, Ben.
The grass is a little wet. I am putting down a foam pad, a kneeling pad. It protects my knees from the hard ground. Okay, I am down. I am ready to attack.
Don't just rip the top off, Ben. That is the rookie mistake. If you leave the bottom in the ground, it will grow back next week. You have to pull out the root. The root is the anchor under the ground.
Okay, let me try. I am grabbing this big prickly one. I am digging my fingers into the soil around the base. Now pull. Grrr. It is fighting back. It is holding on tight.
Use your tool. Use the trowel. Push the metal blade into the dirt next to the root to loosen it. Then pull.
Okay. Pushing the trowel down, I hear the sound of the dirt crunching. Now I pull. Rip! I got it! Wow, look at the root system. It is long and white. It looks like a tangled beard.
Throw it in the wheelbarrow. Thump. 1 down, 100 to go. Keep going, Ben. It's actually very satisfying. The sound of the roots tearing out of the ground is nice. Snap. Rip.
I am starting to smell the soil now. Since we turned the earth over, the smell is releasing. It smells rich. It smells like a forest floor after the rain. It is a very earthy smell.
That is healthy soil. It is dark brown, almost black. That means it has lots of nutrients for our seeds. Wait, stop digging. Don't move your shovel.
What? What is it? Did I hit a rock? Or buried treasure?
No, look closely at the dirt you just moved. Something is wiggling. It's pink and slimy. It's an earthworm.
Oh, I see him. He's trying to hide from the sun. He's digging back down. Is he bad for the garden? Should I put him in the wheelbarrow?
No, never hurt the worms. Worms are the gardener's best friends. They eat the dead leaves and turn them into food for the plants. They also make tunnels that let air and water get to the roots. Cover him up gently.
Okay, sorry, Mr. Worm. I am putting some loose dirt back over him. He is safe. The weeds are gone now, Anna. Look at the bed. It is just a square of dark, flat mud. It looks like a blank canvas. It is ready for the new life. My gloves are covered in mud. I have dirt on my forehead, don't I?
Yes, you have a big smear of mud right between your eyes, but you look like a real gardener now. Are you ready for the delicate part?
You mean the seeds?
I mean the seeds. Take off your heavy gloves. We need our bare fingers for this.
Okay, the soil is ready. It is soft and loose. I took my heavy rubber gloves off. My hands feel light and cool in the air now, but I have to be careful not to touch the mud yet.
We need our bare hands because seeds are very small. You can't feel them through thick rubber. Here is the first packet. Look at the picture on the front. Giant sunflowers. They are going to be huge, yellow, and happy.
It is a paper envelope. I can hear the seeds inside. I am shaking it next to my ear. It sounds like a baby rattle. Ch-ch-ch. Or like sand inside a box.
Open it carefully. Don't just rip the top off, or the seeds will fly everywhere. Shake the seeds to the bottom of the packet first. Now, tear the strip at the top. Slowly.
Okay, I tore it open. I am going to pour some into the palm of my hand. Oh wow, they are bigger than I thought. They look like the sunflower seeds we eat as a snack, but they have black and white stripes. They feel hard and smooth.
For sunflowers, we need space. They grow very tall, so they can't be too close together. We need to make a row. Take your finger, Ben. Use your index finger. Poke a hole in the dirt. Not too deep, just to the first knuckle.
I am pressing my finger into the soft earth. It feels cool and damp. Okay, there is a hole. It looks like a little belly button in the ground.
Now, drop one seed into the hole. Just one. Watch it fall. Now, here is the second packet. California poppies. These are very different.
Let me open this one. I am pouring them into my hand. Whoa, these are tiny. They look like black dust or ground pepper. If I sneeze, I will lose all of them.
For these tiny ones, we don't poke holes. We just sprinkle them, like putting salt on your dinner. Take a pinch between your thumb and finger and gently release them over the soil.
I am rubbing my fingers together. The seeds are falling like rain. I can't even see where they landed. They disappeared into the dark dirt. Are you sure they will grow?
They will grow. They know what to do. Now we have to cover them. This is the tucking in part. Imagine you are putting a baby to bed. You want to pull the blanket up.
Okay, I am using my hand to gently brush the soil back over the holes. I am patting it down softly. Pat, pat. I don't want to pack it too tight, just enough to hide the seeds from the birds.
Perfect. Now the seeds are in their dark, warm home. They have nutrients from the soil, but they are missing the most important ingredient. They need a drink.
They must be thirsty. I will get the hose, but I have to be careful. If I use the high power spray, I will blast the seeds right out of the ground.
We need the gentle setting. Go find the green hose, Ben. It is coiled up by the house.
I found the hose. It is coiled up against the wall of the house. It looks like a giant green snake sleeping in the grass. I have to unroll it. I am pulling it towards the flower bed. It is heavy and rubbery.
Stop, Ben. It is stuck. You have a kink in the hose. A kink is when the hose folds over itself and the water cannot get through. You have to untwist it. Follow the line back to the tap.
Okay, I see the fold. I am shaking the hose like a rope. Wiggle, wiggle. There, it straightened out. Now I'm at the tap. I am turning the metal handle. It is stiff. I have to use both hands to turn it. I hear the water rushing into the hose. The hose is expanding. It is getting hard because of the pressure.
Don't spray yet. Check the nozzle. That is the spray gun in your hand. It has different settings. If you use the jet setting, it is too strong. It will dig a hole in the dirt.
I am twisting the dial on the front. Click, that is shower. Click, that is flat. Click, that is mist. I think mist is the best one. It creates a gentle cloud of water.
Go ahead. Squeeze the trigger. Aim it up in the air so the water falls down gently, like soft rain.
I am squeezing the handle. Hiss. The water shoots out. It is beautiful. Look at the light, Anna. The sun is behind us and it is shining through the water droplets. I see a tiny rainbow in the mist. Red, orange, yellow, right there in the air.
Listen to the sound it makes when it hits the leaves. Patter, patter, patter. It is a very rhythmic sound. And look at the soil. It was light brown and dry a minute ago. Now it is turning dark black. It absorbs the water. It looks like a sponge.
I am moving the hose back and forth, left to right, making sure every seed gets a drink. The water feels cool on my shins. A little bit of mist is blowing back onto my face. It is refreshing after all that hard work.
Take a deep breath now, Ben. This is my favorite moment in gardening. The smell. Do you smell that?
Yes, it is instant. As soon as the water hit the dry dirt, the smell rose up. It smells fresh, dusty, and sweet. It smells like a summer storm.
There's a scientific word for that smell, petrichor. It is the scent of rain on dry earth. It is one of the most relaxing smells in the world.
The sun is going down now. The sky is turning purple and pink. The birds are starting to sing their evening songs. I think our work is done. The weeds are gone, the seeds are planted, and the garden is watered.
We did a good job. My back is a little sore, but my mind is clear. Gardening is good therapy.
Let's roll the hose back up. We have to be tidy gardeners. And then I think I need to wash my hands about 5 times. I still have mud under my fingernails.
Let's go inside. I will make us some lemonade. Good night, garden. Grow tall, little seeds.